Hello everyone. My name is Harshvardhan Yadav. Today's date is 4th January 2022. Today's topic is list, Java list. First of all, see what is Java list. Then we will discuss on collection. Then in types of list. First of all, see what is Java list. In a Java programming, list is a ordered to collection that allows to store and access the element and extend the collection interface. After that, we will see what is collection. In a Java program, collection is a specified architecture which is used for various operation in the Java, such that insert, search, update, delete, uh, sort and fetch and data, as it acts like a single unit collection that implements in the list. Since list is on interface, we can not create the object of list. So in order to use functionality of the list, we have the following classes: list, array list, linked list, stack and vector. We will previous what is array list. We previous topic discuss on the array list. Now we will discuss on the linked list. Similar to array list, linked list is similar to array list. Similar to array list, linked list also part of the collection framework, and it is presented into a Java .until package. Actually, linked list also class in Java Pro language, and each element in the linked list is known as it is contains in three fields. After we discuss on after we discuss on previous, next, and data. What is previous? Previous is a previous field stores an address of the previous element in the list, and it is null for the first element. Next is a field can store the address of an next element in the list, and it is also null for the last element. Data field store the actual data. Important points about the Java linked list. Java linked list can contain duplicate elements. First, one important points of a linked list. Then second point is a Java linked list class maintain insertion order. Is there maintaining the maintain the insertion order. Then Java linked list class is non-synchronized, means uh, there is third point is important point. The Java linked list is non-synchronized. Then fourth point is Java linked class as faster because there is no shifting needed or no shifting occurs. And the last and fifth one is Java linked list can use to list stack and memory. Then we will discuss upon stack. Actually, stack is an data structure which is used in Java to store the collection of the object. The stack is based on the LIFO, that is Java Collection Framework, can provides the various interfaces and object, and one of them stack classes, and stack can provide various operations such as push, pop and search. In stack, there are two important methods in stack operation, that is push and pop. The push operation insert the element into the stack, and pop operation is used to remove the element from the stack. Uh, After that, methods in stack class. There are 50 methods in stack class. First one is empty, second one is push, third one is pop, fourth one is pick, and fifth one is search. First of all, see what is empty. Empty methods in stack class. In empty methods, stack can check whether stack is empty or not. In the stack empty method, first check the stack is empty or not. Second is push is element on the top of the stack. Then pop method removes element from the top of the stack. Pick, each method looks at the top of the elements and the stock without removing it. And search is specified object and returns to the position of the object. That's all the list in Java. Thank you.